Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 16-inch MDF board in which we are going to create a beautiful dot mandala. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center in chrome yellow. Now I'll keep some bamboo green dots. Now I'll keep some swipes in bamboo green. I'll keep some greenery dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in greenery. Now I'll keep some light green dots. I'll keep side swipes now. I'll keep some chrome yellow dots now. I'll work the dots in chrome yellow. I'll put some Fevicol now and then fix the mirrors. I'll keep some brush strokes in bamboo green. Now some brush strokes in greenery. I'll keep some brush strokes in light green. I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep plumpy dot in chrome yellow now. I'll keep some bamboo green dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in yellow now. I'll keep some greenery dots. I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll work the dots in light green. I'll put some Fevicol now, then fix the mirrors. I'll keep some brush strokes and greenery. I'll keep some brush strokes in bamboo green. Keep some brush strokes in yellow. I'll keep some dots in greenery. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll keep some bamboo green dots now. I'll work the dots in bamboo green. I'll keep some greenery dots. I'll work the dots in greenery. I'll keep some light green dots now. I'll work the dots in light green. I'll keep some brush strokes in bamboo green. I'll keep some dots in yellow. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you so much for watching this video.